where you are and with part of the crew, along with our air show director. We are here for you. Again, I must repeat, please stay where you are. Do not try to leave the field. Do not try to go to your car.